Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I will be reviewing PAC makeup brushes. I have 11 of these brushes. I have already used it. I have created this look using those brushes. I haven't washed these brushes, so I really can't tell you how will they go after wash. So I will be doing a separate video for their beauty blenders as well, and I will be mentioning what happens after wash in that video. All in all, I'm having 11 brushes, and I really liked that how they come in a sleeve pocket like this, which has this zip lock, and it's really travel friendly, because if you really want to carry your brushes when you're traveling, it's a really nice case to have. So I will be reviewing each and every brush side by side, and I will be also showing a clipping side by side that how I used them. I will be going in such an order. The brush I used first, I'll be reviewing that first. So let's get started. So the very first brush I used is this brush, which is PAC 003, which is this brush, and I really like how it comes with a guard. It kind of supports the shape of the brush and doesn't allow a brush to lose its shape, so it's really nice. It's quite sturdy, like the quality is really nice. In fact, the quality of every brush is so nice. I love the bristles of their brushes and their handles, and yeah, they're professional. But the price range of these brushes are really affordable as compared to MAC or some other expensive brushes. Plus, it is easily available in India, which is a big thumbs up. In India, we don't have much variety of brushes available here in a very reasonable range. We do have a range like Vega, which is reasonable, but I would still say the quality of Vega is not that good as compared to professional brushes. But these are the brushes which are as good as professional brushes, but their pricing is very similar to Vega, which is really nice. This says Flawlessly Me, and the code is PAC 003. This is a duo fiber brush, and it's like really soft. I'm sorry it's dirty because I just used it on my face. And whatever I've used on my face, I'll be just linking the products down bar, so I will be not mentioning the products in the video. I'll be just talking about the brushes in this video. I loved how it blended my foundation. Seriously, I used to use Sigma's F80 to pack my foundation like really in stamping motion, but sometimes I really have to work while blending the foundation because of its flat surface. It's a domed shape and it's like round in shape. It was really nice to just really blend in the corners like here and here, which was not possible with my Sigma F80. So I really like this brush, and this brush retails for 1075 Indian rupees. After foundation, I just did my concealer. I just did that with my fingers only. I didn't had any concealer brush from them, so I just used my fingers for that. Then I moved to eyes, and for eyes, the very first eye brush I used was this one. This is a PAC brush number 033. This is a kind of a brush which feels like a blending brush, but it is kind of flattened, so it acts as a shader come blending brush. I can pack my eyeshadows with it, and I can also blend them slightly. So I really like, it's a kind of a multi-purpose brush. So yeah, if you don't want to spend on two brushes and just want to go with one brush, you can go with that, but you really have to take care that after eyeshadow packing, if you really want to blend the eyeshadow with some other eyeshadow, you just need to clean it really nicely on a tissue paper. Just swirl it, and then you can blend it with the same eyeshadow brush. So it's a kind of a multi-purpose brush which will help you in packing the eyeshadows and also blending the eyeshadows. And then I went with some darker color to my crease, and I used a blending brush from their range. which was this brush, which is PAC brush 393, which is this brush, and you can see it's a fluffy brush, very similar to Sigma and MAC brushes. It's really nice to blend all your crease color or to blend two eyeshadows together. I really like this brush. It gives a really soft look if you are going for a softer look. After that, I really wanted some definition to my eyes as well, and for that I used this brush, which is PAC brush 106, which is a pencil brush like this, and I love this brush. It's so nice. It's so precise but not too pointy. You can smudge your lower lash line with this, and I did the same. I smudged my lower lashes with the same color I used on my crease, but I really wanted to try this brush out a bit more, so I went with a darker color and I applied to my crease just to make the color concentrated, and it did perfect job for that. And then I blended that eyeshadow, which gave me like perfect finish. So I really love that. So after eyeshadows, I did my eyebrows. For that I used their angled brush, which is again a multi-purpose brush, which is this one here I'm having, and the number of this brush is a PAC 372. I'm sorry, I'm not telling you the prices of all the brushes, but I will be mentioning it in the description box for sure, or I will be mentioning it somewhere on the screen. So yeah, I'm sorry for that. I just forgot to mention the prices of the brushes. So this is a PAC 372, and this is again a multi-purpose brush, as you can create really nice winged eyeliners with this brush, or you can use on your eyebrows. I used this on my eyebrows because I also had one eyeliner brush. I really wanted to try that on eyeliner, so I used this brush as my eyebrow brush. So I went with a brown eyeshadow and filled my eyebrows with this, and it did a pretty decent job. Yeah, it did pretty decent job, so I'm satisfied with this brush. Then I lined my eyes and I used a PAC 044 brush, which is this liner brush. So I'm quite satisfied with this brush as well. It was quite precise brush. It was stiff when I used it first, and it was perfect for that liner. So yeah, it was very decent liner brush. I forgot to mention one brush which I also used in blending. Again, I think it is a multi-purpose brush. You can use it for your concealer or for blending your eyeshadows. I did use it for blending eyeshadows. I didn't use it for concealer. It is a duo fiber blending brush. Yeah, and the number of this brush is a PAC 391. I just blended my eyeshadow, crease eyeshadow with this. So yeah, just let's move to the face brushes. I already did the foundation. Now let's come to other face brushes. First, I used this brush. It is a powder brush, and yeah, really soft bristles, really nice bristles. Again, it's having a rounded shape, so it was really nice. I think this is a really nice brush to just pack on some loose powder or as a blush brush. And this is PAC 302. First, I just packed my under eye concealer with powder with this, and it did a really nice job on that. And then I went with some blush and applied to my cheek area. Again, it was really nice with this brush, and again it comes with a guard, as it is a big brush. I have their big brushes comes with guard to just protect the shape of their brushes. Then I used this brush. Yes, it is trending so much on Instagram, these kind of brushes which kind of look like toothbrush but they are makeup brush. And this is a PAC buffing brush small, that is 02, and it retails for $6.50 for this brush. And I took some cream foundation and just applied to my nose area and also to my hollows of my cheeks just to contour. And I loved the finish of this brush, it was so nice. Like it blended that foundation, cream foundation, really nicely on my hollows of my cheeks and also two sides of my nose. But to the other side, I used another contour brush, which is kind of flattened, which is this one. Yeah, I already have this kind of elf brush, similar shape, sets into your hollows of cheeks, and that's why it's like good for blending. This is PAC 063 and it retails for 795 Indian rupees. According to me, this brush did a better job in blending my cream foundation as compared to this, so I would recommend this for contouring over this. So yeah, that's that. Lastly, I have their lip brush as well, which is PAC 336 and it retails for 450 Indian rupees, and it is a very decent brush, did decent job in applying a lipstick. So yeah, I really like all the brushes, but I really like a lot some of the brushes, which I'll be mentioning it right now, because I just loved them like anything. The first brush I loved is this brush, which is PAC 003. With this I did my foundation. Yeah, the Duo Fiber one. Loved this one, seriously. Really nice foundation brush. Then I loved the pencil brush, which is PAC 106. Then I loved this brush. It just did amazingly good job in blending my contour. Seriously, it did it so fast. And what I really like about this brush, the bristles are really dense, they're soft, and it is kind of dark over here and light to the bottom, which is really nice because you always take darker colors to your contour and your brush doesn't look dirty because it's already dark. Yeah, so your brush doesn't look dirty. I loved their powder brush, the big powder brush, which I used for my blush. I really loved that. The eye brushes were decent. They did a perfect job in blending. I really loved them, but these 2, 3, 4 brushes are my favorite, which I just mentioned right now. I also have PAC beauty blenders. They're small Chotto beauty blenders and the bigger beauty blender. I'll be doing a separate video on that. I also have some eyeliners from them and I will be doing again a separate video on those as well. So yeah, do check that out when they're up. So yeah, that was pretty much with the brushes. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Bye bye.